Hi, welcome to 1667 East Raintree Avenue. This is North Point Subdivision, where Windsor launch route is only 10 minutes away. Now come on in. We have 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2417 square feet, 2 master suites, and a very open floor plan. Gourmet kitchen for those of you who like to cook, and come on back here to this beautiful Oasis backyard. This is what Lake Havasu City is all about. Again, my name's Ellie Winder. Give me a call, 435-229-9096 with Team RDP at eXp Realty. Now I'd like to take you to the desert, which is right down the street.